So guys, welcome back to the channel Cat Comrade, and in today's video we're going to learn about how to change hatch patterns in AutoCAD. So as you can see over here that I've hatched the wall like this, okay? So what if you want to just you want to change the hatch pattern? You just have to select the hatch, and right over here under the patterns command there are three options that you can just scroll down, and there are many options. Like there are, I think, 28 or 29 options that you can choose from. You can you can choose whatever hatch you want according to your drawing. So let's say this is a masonry wall, so I will go with ANSI 32, and I will increase the number. This is the properties number that takes care of the lines. Let's say I'll put 0.3. This is too much. I think 2. So let's say 4. Okay, then this looks good. Okay, so you can also change the hatch patterns like this, and you can also change the color from here also, that you want to make it more lighter, you want to make it more darker, or any color that you want according to your choice, according to your firm's think of doing it. And after this, if you want to change these three hatch patterns also, then you just have to select match properties, or just write ma enter. uh, Read what has been written. It is the select source object. Select the source object, and then you can just by 4 clicks you will change all the three hatch patterns right over here. So that was it for the video. It was only about that, how to change the hatch patterns. If you liked it, then share it with someone who may need it, and thank you for watching.